recording on iPhone is available in iOS 18.1 and later updates. You can check under the software update. Here's my iPhone installed iOS 18.1 beta, so I am getting a recording button on the calling screen. Refer separate video to install iOS beta right now or wait for public release after a month. First, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll to Apps option and find the Phone app. You can search from top search bar or scroll to alphabetically. Under the Phone app settings, scroll to the Call section and tap on Call Recording. Now enable the call recording toggle. By default, this toggle is enabled. If you won't be able to record a call due to other reasons, like storage issues, then refer to my separate video given in the top I button and video description. See you guys in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe to get the latest update.